What's up, guys? It's your boy Twins right here. Today we're going to be doing Draft Pack, NBA Draft Pack 2K16. So I'll teach you all about it. You got to choose one you want to take away and put it to purple. And let me tell you about the game. It's like the pack is like I'll show you. I'm gonna open the pack. Please be good. If it's like gold, like see that yellow thing, like that strip like that means, and it's yellow, that means gold. That means silver. That means another gold and silver. So yeah, and you see these numbers in the corner of them. You gotta pick the highest one if you want to. But I go for the highest one. That's what you're supposed to do. Okay, so let's open the pack. Get guys soon. Oh, it's silver. I got another silver. I got gold. I got another gold, and the purple ones are legendary. Like the purple ones are real good. So yeah. Wow, purple. And the blue ones are diamond. So I think diamond. Okay. Let's open this draft. We get a gold, another gold, another gold. What the heck just happened? I don't care. My battery's on 9%. It's charging too. Okay, please say good on. Guys, we got Stephen Curry. If you don't know who he is, he's a real cool basketball player. He's on NBA in real life. So, wow, we got Stephen Curry. We got a Stephen Curry. Let's go. See what else we get. You can do this on any phone, and you can do it on a computer. So we got 2 golds, 1 silver, 1 gold, and another silver. Wow. So let's go for 84, 84. Wait, is that 60? 80? I can't really see, but I'll go for this. Because I think that. Okay, so let's go. We got 2 purples. Okay, see what I get. Please be good. Oh, silver. Oh, man. If you get an orange, it's real bad because they're like new players, and yeah. I got silver, a gold, and another bad one. So yeah, let's see. Go to a 70, 70. Which one's better? I'll pick this. Go. I pick you. I pick you. I pick that Pokemon. Okay, so let's see what we. Please give me luck, guys. A silver, a gold, a silver, and another silver. Okay, so the best one is this. Wow, we got 2 purple, a Stephen Curry. That is crazy. Okay, see what I get. I get a gold, a silver, another silver, another silver, another silver. Oh, what did I do? I picked someone. Oops. I picked them on accident. Let's see, a silver, another silver, a gold, another gold, and a silver. And you guys must be wondering, why is there purple packed and it has a lot? Well, let me tell you. The purple pack is rare, so you gonna save that for the end, and it puts a lock on it. You get it now? Okay, let's go for this. This pack, okay, it's a gold. I think that's a brown. Oh yes, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Let's go. A 90. Wow. And the orange ones are brand. So yeah, we got 3 of those. Wow. I usually get diamond. I don't think there's diamond in this one. No way! We got another purple. That is just crazy. And 3 bad ones, but oh my god. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, it's lag. But don't lag when I go down. Okay, let's see what I get. I get bronze, silver, destruction. No, it's bad. So a 79. Let's go for that. Okay. We get a brand. It's a gold. I was gonna say silver. Another brand. A silver. Another silver. Okay, guys. Okay, we get, and then the lock will be off, and you get the purple pack. The purple pack is so good. Watch. A gold. A purple. A gold. A purple. A purple. Told you. Good. This guy's a 95. I like the one with the trophy. Yeah, so yeah, we beat this. Let's go to another draft. Okay. How do I go back? My lip is burning. Oh, my lip is burning. Name your draft. You can go down here. YouTube. YouTube draft. Because I'm on YouTube and I love you guys, so. YouTube draft. Hit that nay. Wow, that's so random. Well, guys, think, yeah, new draft. Yeah, and put here. Okay. See what I get. Oh, please get a good one. Just one more. Silver. Okay, so we got silver, gold, silver. This is good. So this is gold. Good gold. Yeah, my mouth. Ow, my lip is burning. Okay. Oh, please say we get a good one. No, we did not get a good one. We got gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. The golds are good. Like, I can't blame. I can't, like, you know what I mean. Oh, my back is itchy. So I'm just... Oh, come on. Oh, we got 9. 89, though. That was a purple. Please say this is a purple. We gotta get a purple. Gotta get a purple. Gotta get a purple. Gotta get a purple. I just want to cut that. It was too bad. It was too bad. Oh, let's go. Ah, man. I got a brown. Okay. Oh, what the heck just happened? I didn't mean to push that. Ay. I just cutted that piece. I was going to end it, but I decided keep going. Like, I gotta do it for you guys. 77. see. I we got nothing good today. Well, yeah, we did today, but we're not getting anything good right now. So okay, so we got a bronze, 3 bronze. Seriously, a gold, a bronze. Really, really. And the bronze are only in the 60s, like the 60 thing. Wow, see like the 69 right there? That's what I mean. Dang, this one's almost a purple. Oh my god. See what I can do up here. At least I get, I just opened those. 82, ah man. I picked 80 on accident. Wow. I got nothing but gold. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this is just lagging. Okay. Wow, I got another bond. Oh god. Oh, who cares about my battery? I'm making a YouTube video here. Oh guys, we got it. We got it. We got him. We got him? What the heck was that? Yes, we got a purple. We got another purple. Oh my gosh. I don't care about my battery. A 93 right here. Let's go.